Oh my God. Y'all, I can't have nothing nice nor do nothing nice for my kids. But anyways, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome. So I decided to do something different when styling her hair. I am just moisturizing, and for moisturizing, I'm gonna go straight into styling. Y'all hear my co-host in the background say hi. That was his hi. So as you guys can see here, I split her hair in 4 sections, and then in a section, I split it into 2, just to make sure, you know, the products are evenly distributed and detangling, because I can't detangle all that at the same time. You feel me? So now that her head is all moisturized and detangled, I'm just going to be taking these twists / braids down, and boom. Ooh, girl, she traveled back to the 70s. Look at that afro. So now I am going to work on styling her hair. I'm just parting her hair from ear to ear in the back of her head. So my baby girl, she asked for a blanket. So I'm like, oh, okay. She, you know, she feeling a little cold. Let me get her comfortable. I'm like, okay, girl, go ahead and get comfortable. Look what she gonna do. Wait. My baby said, forget that cold, mama. I'm tired. Let me go to sleep. I thought I could continue doing her hair, but I was like, nah, let me stop. And so I just went ahead, rubber band that section off so it didn't get all, you know, jacked up while she was sleeping. Put a little bonnet on her head and sent her on her way. But now we back. But here I'm just splitting her hair down the middle. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, go ahead and drop this pink heart emoji in the comments below for me. Let me know. So what I'm going to do here is split her hair down the middle horizontally, and then I'm going to be working on that bottom section, which is just splitting the hair down the middle vertically, and that will leave me with 2 pieces, and I'm just going to rubber band those and do the same thing on the top side.
High volume.
I got what you need, so come share my world.
think about you. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world, share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, with me. 'Cause everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. Now it's obvious you need a friend to come hold you down, be that one to share your everything. No one's around. Baby, come tell me your secrets and tell me all your dreams. 'Cause I can see you need someone to trust. You can trust in me. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I can be your homie. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, yeah. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. It's been so long, I've had this feeling that we could be everything you've ever wanted in your fantasy. I won't push too hard to break your heart, 'cause my love's sincere. I'm not like any other girl, you know. So let me erase your fears. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I could be your homie. If it's something that you want, you should make me your girl. Oh. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world. Share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me. Walk with me, baby. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. Oh. If it's something that you want, you should make me your girl. Make me your girl, baby. Baby, come and share my world. I got what you need.
So now that I got her rubber band parts all done, I'm just going to be gathering her hair in the middle, and I'm just going to rubber band it, and then doing the same thing on the other side.
So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I could be your homie. Your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world. Share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me. Come and take a walk with me. I got it right here, baby. I wanna let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you. Or what I think about you, boy. I got what you need, so come share my world.
So that background is bothering me. It keeps distracting me. So what I'm doing here is splitting her hair from the top of her head all the way down to the bottom of her head, making like a triangle. And then from there, I'm going to be splitting that down the middle, and then I'm just going to be braiding up. I bet y'all wouldn't even notice the couch if I didn't say nothing. Comment down below. Did y'all notice the couch before I said something? So this is the finished look, the end product. I did put her hair in a bun, but earlier I was like, oh, I'm gonna try something new and I'm just gonna moisturize it and style her hair. Yeah, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Her hair, it was so hard to get it into that ponytail, so I just went ahead and split it into two. It's still cute with the two ponytails, but personally, me, I kind of like it in the bun. But anyways, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe. I would love for you to be a part of the family. Come on, baby. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.